Okay, so when we talk about the name creation of H&H, the full form is Happy and Healthy. So we are two best friends, and we have, our own personality. So me, I am always happy, and I'm in my happy zone all the time. And my friend here, she is a health freak. She's done her course in yoga and Ayurveda. So when the two of us meet, it's the atmosphere is completely happy and healthy. So we thought, why not open a cafe, which is both, a mixture of both of us. So that's how Happy and Healthy came into picture.
So Arpana, what more you want to add about H&H Bar and Cafe?
So as Shweta mentioned that it is the concept of happy and healthy, and also we wanted that this concept should reach out to each and every woman health wise. So that is the main focus wherein we have got this concept, and we thought of bringing this for every woman, especially women.
Thank you. Speciality of your H&H Bar and Cafe, what exactly, what are the food items?
See, everything that H&H has is special. We have 38 kind of exotic salads, and of course, like you can see, we have these salads. So these salads are, okay. Yeah, as I said, we have variety of these salads, and we also have pizzas and pasta and sandwiches, wraps, risotto. Everything that H&H has is health-based, of course. We don't use any sugar or maida or preservatives. So that is our specialty.
So the thing is, when people talk about salads, they think it will be a very boring to eat the salads, but actually it's not, because other than salads, we have the combination of everything, wherein the small kid and the old age people, they can also enjoy equally each and every item of this cafe. And also it has veganism, it has diet conscious food, it has if someone is suffering from any disease, if they want to try something related to that, so it provides everything in one go.
Okay, so ma'am, what's new or exclusive services have you planned through your cafe for your customers?
So as we just mentioned, everything is exclusive for our customers. When they want a particular kind of food, we make sure that, the best part is that we have our own salad station, wherein, we have an option of make your own salad. So you can choose amongst the various ingredients that we have, and you can make your own salad, which can be based on your taste buds as well as, your medical needs. So that, I would say, is something very exclusive.
Even in case of pizza, just to add what Shweta has said, even in case of this pizza, if you see, the base which is made, it is made out of amaranth flour, which is gluten free, and I mean, each and every person, even the person who is suffering from health issues, can have this without any guilt, because wow, the cheese which is being used, it is very healthy cheese which we make here, and some we try to get it as per the customer requirement. So it is going to be delicious and healthy.
Wow, very nice. Ma'am, your association as board team member with V and Chaitanya. So how you discuss that?
Right. So when we are obviously the new members of V. So we as women entrepreneurs, we are very focused on women health as well, because of course, because of lifestyle and responsibilities, women definitely need to focus more on their health, being fit and eating healthy. So by being linked with Chaitali and we would cater to all their needs as well.
Thank you. How will you support V in future?
So we are planning that this place will be for women, because women usually they don't take care of themselves, and when they are here, they are going to get everything. They are going to get the health, and they are also going to get the connect. So that is how we are going to promote this, and we are going to enjoy this because we get the opportunity to meet new women and understand their issues. and this would be the place to connect.
Wow, very good. Will you tell your friends or other businesswomen to join me?
Of course, there is no two ways about it. The more we are, the merrier. So, of course, we would definitely bring in a lot of our women entrepreneur friends and we connect with we. So, I hope that all of us together, get on the journey of fitness and health and good food. So, that is basically what we are all about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sweta and Aparna.
Thank you.